Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to fill a cell with a pattern in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Google Sheets doesn't have a direct pattern fill option like Excel. However, you can create a pattern effect inside cell using some alternative methods. I'll explain it step by step. First of all, select your data, step 1, then go to fill color, custom, or pick a custom color. Okay, and step 2, again select to this data, go to format tab, conditional formatting, apply rules, is empty, is not empty, text contains, choose your rules, or apply customs formula, choose your color, click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.